Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get SimScale Free Trial 2025 completely free and official. Step by step. No crack, no fake links, just 100% safe and genuine from the SimScale official website. Step 1. Visit the official website. Open your browser and search for SimScale Free Trial 2025, or go directly to simscale.com. Always use the official website to stay safe and secure. Step 2. Click on Start Free Trial. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Start Free Trial or Get Started button. You'll be redirected to the sign up page. Step 3. Create a free account. Now, sign up with your email address or directly use Google Login. SimScale offers a 10 simulations remaining and personal CPU usage 3,000 hours free trial for new users. You can also choose the community plan, which is completely free forever for public projects. Step 4. Access the online dashboard. After signing up, you'll be taken to your SimScale dashboard. No need to install anything. Everything works online in your browser. That's it. Your SimScale Free Trial 2025 account is now ready. You can start your first simulation directly from your browser. So that's how you can get SimScale Free Trial 2025 online. 100% official and free. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.